So, hello riders. So today we have a Glamor Hero over here for the servicing. So this type of daily commute bikes is basically very helpful for certain features what you need to understand for this type of bikes when you are buying or purchasing this type of vehicle. So there are lots of competitors in this segment of 100 and 125cc where you need to earn options, but Hero is my basically a favorite option where we need to go ahead as per the availability of the parts and power pickup efficiencies and everything. So we will give you a more short glamour what exactly all things is about in this vehicle. So this glamour basically is like you will get a good performance into this as a riding posture also, and even the affordability is basically compared to the motorcycle in this segment. Glamour is price wise comparatively, if you see, this is better than any other bike in this segment. Stylish design, if you can see the aeronautical shape, the disc and the front, okay, the FI system, fuel injector system is there, the digital display, smooth performance. Engine is very smooth about this bike. Riding positioning, fuel efficiency. The best part of Hero Glamour is fuel efficiency, particularly. And when you compare this bike, basically you get a comparison like Bajaj Pulsar 125. But Bajaj Pulsar is at the price point you have to go higher side comparatively, in the higher side. And Honda Shine 100cc is a better option in this. Even TVS Star City Plus also is an option where you can go ahead. But when you come to this Hero, it has a maximum features over here on this bike. So choice is as per you between Hero Glamours and competitor depends on the individual preference, budget and specification requirement. So if you like the video, please share it to your friends. And if you think video is helpful for certain community daily riders, please share this video, subscribe to our channel for latest update for this type of vehicle.